Did you know that nature has its own superheroes? Tardigrade, water bear can survive the vacuum of space, extreme temperatures, and deadly radiation. Gecko walks on walls and ceilings thanks to sticky feet. Mantis shrimp strikes so fast it can break glass and sees colors humans can't imagine. Immortal jellyfish, Turritopsis dohrnii, can reverse aging and return to a juvenile stage, almost immortal. Axolotl regenerates arms, heart, and even parts of its brain. Give it a like, and if you enjoyed it, subscribe. Nature also knows how to play superhero.